Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a case that has shocked the entire immigrant community in the United States. An 82-year-old man, Luis Leon, who escaped dictatorship, lived in America for nearly 4 decades, and had a valid green card, was suddenly arrested and secretly deported without trial, without warning, and without his family even knowing. So let's break down exactly what happened and why this case is raising a serious concern. Let's start with who Luis Leon is. Luis fled to the United States in 1987 after being tortured by the Pinochet dictatorship in Chile. He was granted asylum and later became a legal permanent resident. He lived peacefully in Allentown, Pennsylvania, working in a leather plant, raising a family, and dealing with chronic health issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, and a serious heart condition, my friends. He had a green card, he paid taxes, he never committed a crime. By all definitions, he was a legal immigrant. In June 2025, Luis Leon lost his wallet. It had his green card inside. He did the right thing. He scheduled an appointment with the immigration services to apply for a replacement. But what happened next is hard to believe. When Luis and his wife showed up at the USCIS office, ICE officers were waiting for him. They took him away in handcuffs, my friends. His wife, confused and terrified, was left sitting there for 10 hours with no explanation, my friends. Obviously, you can just imagine. What followed was even more disturbing. His family had no idea where he was taken. Days passed with no communication at all. Then, someone claiming to be an immigration attorney told the family Luis had died. No documents, no cause of death, no hospital records, just a call saying he was gone. His daughter and wife were devastated, but something didn't feel right. Then came the twist. A family member in Chile received a call that Luis was actually alive in a hospital in Guatemala. Yes, Guatemala, a country where Luis has never lived, never visited, and where he knows no one. His family believes ICE deported him without telling anyone, and that so-called death claim was a cover-up. How did this even happen? When you think about it, it's like a movie story or something. Well, under a Trump era immigration policy that was recently upheld in court, ICE can now deport immigrants to third countries, not just their country of origin, my friends. Please note this point. That means someone can legally live in the United States for decades and still be sent to a completely unrelated country without any notice or due process, my friends. Luis Leon became one of the first public victims of this policy. Luis' family still has no paperwork, no records, no official statement from ICE. He is alone in a hospital in Guatemala, unable to communicate properly and with no legal help. His daughter said he can't even walk properly and he barely understands what's going on. And most disturbingly, they still don't know why he was targeted. This wasn't a deportation hearing with lawyers, this was a disappearance. I'm sure a Hollywood director will make a movie about this. So, what can we learn from this? If you or someone you know is a green card holder, keep copies of everything, especially your immigration documents, my friends. Don't assume permanent residency protects you fully. And more importantly, let's all stay informed because the system is changing fast and stories like Luis Leon would happen to others too. If this story shocked you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay informed. Until next time, take care.